language. According to the National Center for Biotechnology Information, your DNA is operating using grammar, semantics, sentences, words, phonetics, syntax, morphology, spell check, and linguistic algorithms. In other words, your DNA is literally operating by a linguistic system of information exchange. And the NCBI went on to write that the grammar of the human genetic code is more complex than that of even the most intricately constructed languages in the world. It's more advanced than computer code. And in another study by the NCBI, they state that the chemical bases of the DNA, adenine, cytosine, guanine, and thymine, arrange themselves and sequence themselves in the exact same way that we use letters in the alphabet to form words and sentences and paragraphs. This is the product of an intelligent mind. This cannot arise from a simple biological process that is unguided and blind like evolution. According to a journal on psychology, animals don't even use a language system. They only communicate using emotional signals. Their only function is to manipulate other animals' behavior, not to share and exchange information. Without those functions, animal signals don't qualify as language. As compared to words, animal signals are innate, immutable, and involuntary. Therefore, we know that evolution does not produce systematic informational exchange systems. It just doesn't. You do not observe it. And with these new discoveries, thousands of scientists have signed a petition saying they don't believe Darwinistic evolution can account for this. It's completely irrational to believe that DNA is the product of a blind force like evolution. DNA is not unguided and it's not blind. It's the most complex thing we've ever seen. And with this evidence, you are only left with two live options. Either aliens made us or God made us. But the major problem for the theory that aliens made us is that they also have to abide by the creation and coding of DNA. It's impossible for them to exist without a designer themselves. So what does this all mean? Theoretical physicists and quantum mechanics are running to the idea that we exist inside of a simulation. If this doesn't give you chills, I don't know what would. Life is clearly designed by an intelligent designer.